Y'all are about to see me transform from a frog into a beautiful princess. Just to let you know, I am not a Chelsea fan. I'm actually a Man City fan. I'm a citizen, so don't get it twisted. Now, I did apply just a skin tint because for this soccer game occasion, I think it's just going to be better if I just do like a very light, glowy makeup look. So I also added just a bit of concealer and blended it out with my fingertip just to make it look really natural. Added some bronzer and blush. When I looked in the mirror, I looked crazy though, so I had to blend it out a bit more. Then a light brow, of course. I never use brow gel, but I actually did today because I wanted to make sure that it just stayed on. I also added a light wash of bronzer like usual on my eye. And I added glitter because I really wanted to look a little bit more feminine than I do because I kind of look like a 12-year-old boy. And then I was wondering, like, is this occasion a lower lash mascara occasion? Like, should I do that? I'm not sure. I did do it anyways. And then I took a little bit of translucent powder and put it right over my bottom lashes just to make sure they didn't smudge. And then I was also wondering, like, is this a gold hoop occasion? Well, I needed to look feminine again, like I said, so put those on anyways. Finished my lip and freaking transformation. Like, hello?